Yeah.
I like it wide at the front, but they look alright.
They're a bit dim, aren't they? I bet he's got them all wired up to the same thing.
Same thing to
yeah.
the relay, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's disconnected the switch.
Yeah, to be honest, if you disconnect them, that'll be brighter.
Yeah.
Because he's got one thing pulling all that fucking power, isn't he? It's stunning, that. Fucking beautiful. I like the paint, I really do. It's like, not too much, but it's just really nice. Lights are nice, aren't they?
Yeah, yeah.
They're most like them proper Kiriakin ones, them.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, this guy from Poland.
Show me this one, you know.
Yeah. That's nice and all, isn't it? All around the
petrol tank.
Yeah. These things are show chrome, I think, or they might even be under them. Yeah. Well, the flames set it off though, don't they? Yeah. Compared to standard. Yeah. I like the risers. Really set it off. Let's see it on the thing, yeah. I love the tank and all that. It's fucking massive, isn't it? That must have cost him a lot of money, you know, to have that done.
Yeah, it's cost him, yeah.
It must have cost him a lot, yeah.
Papers for all together, right?
Papers?
Including the tank widening.
£4,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I've got a standard tank spec, the same as that though.
Really?
Which I might ship out. I'll just see how, you know, I'll keep holding it.
So they took another valve tank and cut it, and welded it?
Got another valve tank and welded it, yeah.
Now, a lot of work.
The guy in Bristol.
Matt's Engineering. Could be Matt's. Yeah, I wonder.
Something to do with the Valk Club.
Oh, no, it wouldn't be then. Matt's is like choppers and stuff. That's fucking beautiful. It really is. Stunning.
They're right, territory money-wise, they've got money in it.
Oh, fuck me, yeah. I tell you, if you strip that down, you'd get 6.5 for it without the bits on. But I mean, it'd be a pity to do that, wouldn't it? It's just too nice.
Yeah, it is. He said that I was a bit pissed off with all the work I've done on it, and he said that it's a good bike, Kev. He said, you know, I'm not.
It's genuine, isn't it? There's no false about it.
I've had it from you, so it's been standard for 18 months.
Is that it from you? Is it?
Yeah, since 2000, yeah.
Because they're worth 13.5 grand new.
Paid 9.5 from
Yeah,
Davidson.
yeah.
And he's got a 7 back on it.
Yeah.
In 10 years.
It's not bad, is it? Yeah, yeah.